Hello, this is a video to show you how to find and submit assignments. As you'll see that the students have classes that are available to them. They have assignments in various different classes. If you click on ELA, Rotation 1 with Miss Johnson Bay, you'll go over to the left-hand side and you'll see that there are assignments. This little man with the gears going on in his head. The red indicates that the assignment is past due, and any assignments that are green are upcoming or current assignments. So what you'll do is you'll find Monday ELA and you'll click on the assignment. The assignment will allow the students to download if they click on the download, and if they open the document, they'll see that it looks like this. The students will always see protected view at first. You always want to click enable editing and read the directions. These assignment says decide if each sentence is a complete sentence or a fragment. If it is a complete sentence, type C on the line. If it is a fragment, type F on the line. We went over this in class today. Although he wanted to have more friends, we know that that is a fragment because there's a predicate missing from the sentence. Also, young people enjoy going to the movies. We know that this is a complete sentence. So I'm going to do my entire assignment and get it done. When I'm done, I click File and Save As. I want to save it to the local PC, and I want to make sure that I'm saving it somewhere. So I might click on Desktop and save it as the file called Monday. Oh, I can't name it because I already have another file called Monday. So I'll just call it Language Arts. Now my file is called LA for Language Arts. I've done my assignment. I went to save as, I saved the assignment. Now I can go back to the portal. I'm going to open CTLS right in the same spot. Sometimes I might add a response here. If it's an extended writing prompt, I might type a response there. I might have a prompt above and I might just type a response. But this specific assignment requires me to add an attachment. So I'm going to add an attachment. Over here on the right hand side, you'll see the upload arrow. I'm going to click upload, make sure I'm back in my desktop because that's where my file is saved, and I entitled it LA. Another quick way to find it is you might click on date modified and sort it by the date that you modified it, and you'll see that this was the most recent file that I modified if you can't remember the name. And again, select LA and hit open. This will upload the document, so hit save and upload. I've already added this assignment earlier. And then I hit submit response. Once you submit the response, the teacher will be able to view the assignment and go in and grade it. This has been a very short tutorial on how to find, download, save, and upload assignments into CTLS for grading. If you have any other questions, or if you're not able to upload your file to CTLS, please contact your teacher about an alternative way to submit the assignments. Thank you and have a great day.